Hello and welcome to another. Well, it's an announcement, cause no, okay. Basically, I'm gonna go. Oh, I forgot. No, we're gonna go Morocco tomorrow, so I'm gonna get my own video. I'm gonna make those YouTube video like me, like the failures in the swimming pool, innit? Yeah, so like if you guys just wanna like subscribe while I'm gone, like comment and everything. I don't know if I'm gonna get updates on the plane, but I don't even know if I'm gonna get network in Morocco. So if you guys just wanna comment, like I'm going to Morocco, it's gonna be fun. And also I've made my mind up that I am going to be doing Minecraft mod reviews, Minecraft series. My first Minecraft series will probably be a Pixelmon or Gallicraft like kind of series. So, oh yeah, KFC closed down. This is disgraceful.